that Smyrna cowboy to you?
Good morning, everybody. Smyrna Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today is July 31st, the end of July 2024 at 8:43 in the morning. I'm going to go get some breakfast for me and Mrs. Cowboy. Be a short video today. I've been watching all the footage from VAMM24. Got that in my playlist. Looks like everyone had a good time. But me, but looks like everyone had a good time. That was good. Glad to see that. On my Fishing with Pappy video series type stuff, I forgot that this was being under constructed. Morning. So I went out yesterday. I called it Timu Sunday. Timu Topwater Tuesday. Well, and I learned quite a bit, actually. I learned I had the chest mount camera angled way too high. And I didn't catch nothing, by the way, but I am gonna put it up there just to see the footage. So I am going to put it up on YouTube. I've downloaded the footage to the computer, now I just got to render it. Produce a video. Lost a bait, backlashed maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. Still dialing that in. Everything's a trial and error, as everyone knows in motor vlogging, everything's a trial and error. But I'll do a little bit of a video just to let people know what kind of format I'm going to use and all that good stuff. Like I say, the chest mount is too high, but you don't know until you see it, till it's rendered. Been getting quite a bit of rain down here in Middle Tennessee. Got the guy that cuts our yards, hopefully he's going to come today before it turns into a jungle. And my brother is coming over to help me with a computer desk I put together that used to take me maybe 2 hours tops. Nowadays it took me 2 days because I just can't bend down and bend my knee. You just don't know how much you depend on your knees till you can't do it anymore. That pretty much sucks. So, I should have turned there at Wendy's. Is what she wanted this morning, Wendy's. I also got a little plastic storage shed, and little did I know it has 442 screws in it. Yeah. So, there you go. That's how it goes, babe. Well, I'm going to cut it off here and order some breakfast this morning, so I thought I'd do a little quick video. So this is the Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee at the Wendy's. Gonna get a little breakfast. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios.
Thank you for your time and attention.